Hello students, today I am going to explain a new topic, that is molecular orbital diagram of nitrogen molecule. So this is nitrogen molecule, formula is N2 and it is made up of 2 nitrogen atom. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7, so electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 3p, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So same electronic configuration will be for second nitrogen atom, and 7 in both nitrogen atom, 7 electron are present, so total number of electrons in a molecule is 14. So we have to fill 14 electrons in this molecular orbital. Now we will see the diagram, or how the molecular orbital diagram is formed. This is first nitrogen atom, this is second nitrogen atom. So in the nitrogen atom, number of electron is 7, so 2 will be in 1s orbital, 2 will be in a 2s orbital, and remaining 3 will be in a p orbital. Similar electronic configuration will be for second nitrogen atom here. Now we will see how the molecular orbitals are formed when the 1s orbital of first nitrogen atom and 1s orbital of second nitrogen atom will combine with each other. They will form 2 molecular orbital, that is sigma 1s bonding molecular orbital and sigma star 1s anti-bonding molecular orbital. Star sign is present here, so it is anti-bonding molecular orbital. So here are 2 electrons in this atomic orbital, also 2 electrons are present, so 4 electrons are here, so 2 will be in bonding, 2 will be in anti-bonding. Bonding is lower energy orbital and anti-bonding is higher energy orbital. Now 2s orbital of first nitrogen atom and 2s orbital of second nitrogen atom will combine with each other. Again 2 molecular orbital will form, that is sigma 2s bonding orbital and sigma star 2s anti-bonding orbital. 2 electrons are here, 2 electrons are here, and when both atomic orbital will combine with each other, out of 4 electron, 2 will be in bonding and 2 will be in anti-bonding. Now we will see when 2p orbital of both nitrogen atom will combine with each other. Now the modular orbital will form. 3 electrons are here and 3 electrons are in second nitrogen atom, so total 6 electrons are present here. Out of this 6 electron, 2 will be in pi 2px bonding orbital, 2 will be in a pi 2py bonding orbital, and 2 will be in a sigma 2pz bonding orbital. Now 2 out of 6, 2, 4 and 6. Now electrons are not left, so this anti-bonding orbital will be empty. So total number of electron are 14. We can count from here also: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Then this molecular orbital can be written in a form of series also. So this is a series: sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, sigma 2pz2. This series is used when the number of electron is 14 or less than 14. So we will count electron here: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So bond order, now we will calculate the bond order. Bond order is equal to 1 by 2 Nb minus Na. Nb means number of electron which are present in bonding orbital. We can count from here: 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So we will write here 10. Na means number of electron which are present in anti-bonding orbital. So we will count from here: 2, 4. So we will write here 4. When we will solve this, answer will be a 3. It means between 2 nitrogen atom, 3 covalent bond are present. Now we will see that nitrogen molecule is diamagnetic or paramagnetic in nature. From this diagram we can see that all the orbitals have a paired electron. In our orbital, paired electrons are present, unpaired electrons are not present. So nitrogen molecule is diamagnetic in nature. This topic is completed. Thank you.